What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sofly Trades here. And I'm here with my first video. You know what I'm saying? My first trading video, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people been asking me to make a YouTube just to start, helping people, try to figure some things out because I know what it feels like to not know a lot. And I still don't know a lot, but I'm still on that journey of learning. But I just wanted to make my first video today, just to introduce myself basically and tell you guys why I started trading and, what I like about trading, you know what I mean, and the opportunities it can bring. So without further ado, I'm introduce myself. My name is Sofly Trades. I thought you was going to be my government name, but my name is Sofly Trades. I got into trading, I'd say about 2020. I wasn't really actively trading. I was just, mainly speculating, watching the markets and, holding for long term, basically when all that, crypto pumps and GameStop pumps and everything was around. That's when I got in. So, I would see everybody making all this money and, then when I get in, I'm the one that lose money. And I'm like, what the heck? Why is everybody making money and I'm losing money? So that really made me want to learn. But yeah, so I'd say I was really, watching because I was in the Navy. So I didn't really have that much time in the morning to trade. So I was really just watching to see what was going on because I was still interested and I wanted to trade. I just didn't have the time to trade at the moment. But, I was just watching, speculating, getting used to what price movement and things look like. You know what I mean? But I've been trading actively now for about a year. That's not too long, but you can learn a lot in a year, I think. What drew my attention to trading was basically the freedom of it. I know we all see those thumbnails on YouTube where the dude made $10,000, $30,000, and we like, dang, how can we do that? I know that feeling. Trust me, I know it, and those kind of people, some of them don't want to tell you the whole story. You're not always winning, no strategy is 100%. No, and another thing, every trader has their own style, like I have a bunch of people asking me, what do you do so I can copy it? I'm like, I can tell you what I do, but you can ask 100 different traders, their trading style. It might be similar, but it's always different in a way. No trading style in its own right, it's 100% right. Everyone develops their own strategies, their own methods to, get into a play, get out of a play, how they read the markets, determine sentiment, things of that nature. So, I really like the freedom aspect of it. You work for about 1 to 2 hours max and you have the rest of the day to do whatever you want. You know what I mean? Who doesn't want that? Who wants to sit in the office all day long? Don't get me wrong. Some people like that, but just not me. I like the time and freedom to do what I want. You know what I mean? I want to make my money, go out and have some fun and make sure my family's good. You know what I mean? And, right now I still have a small account, around $1,500. I grew it from 500 to 1,500. Right now, since it's a small account, I trade only from about 1 to 3 contracts. They can average around, it all depends on the spread, but I just say on average, $100 per contract, something like that. So I trade between right now 1 to 3, and I just scaled up between 1 to 4 because I've been having some success. So. And I also try to average at least like $100 a day because at my old job, I was making $25 an hour for 8 hours, and that was $200 a day. So if I can even make $100 a day in 5 minutes, I'm completely fine. This is a marathon, not a sprint. And as you get better and as you get more confident, then you can scale up because the more you scale up, the more money you risk. The bigger drawdowns you have, the more you need to be better at managing your risk, managing emotions. So things of that. But yeah, my short-term goals for trading is to obviously, make this my full income source right now. I'm in school right now. So, I get paid to go to school, but I want to make this my full-time income source because this is what I love doing. This is what excites me in the morning. This is what I get up. This is what I live, breathe, and eat to do. You know what I mean? And for trading, you have to want it more than you want to breathe. If you want to be a serious full-time trader, you have to want this more than you want to breathe. I'm just telling you right now, if you don't want it more than you want to breathe, you might as well just exit off this video because it's not for you. But some of my short-term goals in trading is to basically help my family. I want to be able to help my grandparents and, take them out on a trip or something like that. I'm big on helping those that were there for you when you didn't have anything. I'm very big on that. And another short-term goal for my trading would be investing. I like to invest some of the money that I make into some long-term positions, on companies that I believe in. Some more long-term goals is buying real estate, with my trading profits. Buying real estate. I want to start a nonprofit organization for veterans with this, So I have a lot of goals that I want to complete, with my trading. And in my life, trading, this is how I'm gonna do it. This is how I'm gonna complete those goals because this is the only business that I know that you can scale up this much every day. This is the only business where you can scale up this much every day. And if you're consistent with it, if you're dedicated, it will pay off. Like I went from making, I'd say when I started a year ago, only like $25, $10, $15, losing 75, 50 to now I make more than 100, 150 a trade. And I only lose anywhere from, 50 to max $80 max. The key in trading is you want to have your winners smaller than your losers, which equates to risk management. That's why you set stop losses and, have trailing stops and other things of that nature. But I'll get into things like that in a different video. I just wanted to basically get on here today, start my first video, introduce myself, and, let's get this trading journey on the road, man. I'm glad to finally start my YouTube journey to help people because I really like helping people. I know what it's like to not know much about the market. I know, and I'm still learning myself. And that's why I'm here and I'm dedicating my time to help you guys. Because even if I can help you make $20 or $10, I'm fine. Or if I could help you stop losing $100, I'm happy. That's what I'm here for. This is what I want to do. So that being said, I appreciate everybody who did tune in. And there's more to come. Drop a like on this video, 20 likes, and I'll drop another video. But without further ado, see you next time.